Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be going over this masking transition. Here on the screen is our website, www.b3-studios.com. If you are interested in any type of Final Cut Pro plugins, this is the site to go to. We have some free and some that you have to pay for, but all in all, this is a great tool to help you in your Final Cut Pro workflow. Now let's get on to the video. Okay, so we have two clips here. One of a door opening, and we got another scene with a beach. And so what we're gonna do here is we're just gonna create a mass transition. So right when this door opens, it's gonna be actually opening to a beach. So to get started with this effect, we're going to press Shift and B at the same time to break the clip. So we can zoom in right here. And we can change the duration of the speed. So we can go ×8 to speed up the mask, or we can go even ×20. Let's go ×20. And now what we're gonna do is, as soon as this door opens, we're gonna create a mask. So go to your effects tab. And add a draw mask. So right when this door is opening, we're gonna actually bring the view up to, let's go 25% so we can see the outside. Right when that door is opening, we wanna create a mask. Okay, once you create your mask, you are going to come over to the transforms. We're gonna add a keyframe right here, 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 and on control points. And now you're gonna go frame by frame. I'm gonna fast forward this, but you're gonna go frame by frame. Each frame, you're gonna move the mask out. Before you move the mask out, you wanna invert the mask. And you're gonna, each frame, you're gonna move the frame according to how the door moves. So I'm gonna do it a couple times and I'm gonna fast forward it just so this video won't be super long. So once it moves, move along with it like this. Just like that. And every frame, you just go frame by frame. Just try to get it as accurate as you can. As you can see in the beginning, you have this little black space right here. To kind of mask that out, we are going to feather that. So we can add a keyframe on the feather. See how this looks. Yep, that looks good right there. And we can go frame by frame until we start to get to right when the door opens. So let's see how this looks. That looks okay. We can make it look better. Just feather it a little bit more. Let's try to go on the outside. Looks a lot better right there. Looks a lot better. So now, once you have your mask accurate, you want to take this second clip and you want to place it below the mask. You want to place that right below the mask. Let's bring this back to the fitting position. And now you have a great transition. And to make this even look more realistic, you can add a blur on the second clip. So let's go to our blur tab right here, and we can add a Gaussian blur onto the bottom clip. And we're gonna add a keyframe. So we're gonna add a keyframe right here. I'm gonna go slightly up in the timeline. Once it starts opening, we're gonna decrease. Once it starts to continue open, just decrease. And after that, let's see how this looks. Awesome. So that's a really good transition right there. And if you want to add a little extra or a more dynamic visualization, we can go ahead and add a keyframe about halfway to where the door is opening. Add a keyframe on the scale. And go up a little bit to about when the door is about to close. And just zoom in. On the scale. So as we go back and play this back, just a little effect to make the scene more dynamic. And you can even get even more creative and break this clip. Put this above right here, drag this up, and you can even put another transition if you want. So we can go to the light transition, add a flash, and it can be another clip. You can bring in another clip. So as we play this back, so you can get really creative with these transitions. I hope this helped you out today. Make sure you go check out the website, and yeah, there's plenty of plugins there. Some are free, some you have to pay for. But all in all, the website will definitely help you out on your video editing journey. All right, thank you guys again, and I will see you guys soon. Thank you.